Reinvent the look of your 2010 to 2013 Chevy Camaro and improve night driving with new headlights from AnzoUSA. These are the hand tools you'll need for the installation. Begin by disconnecting your vehicle's negative battery terminal. Remove the 6 body panel clips on top of the front fascia. Remove the 2 10mm bolts on the top outside edge of the fascia. Locate the 2 10mm bolts in the middle of the fascia that attach it on the bottom side and remove them. Remove the 3 torque screws on the inner fender liner from both sides of the vehicle. Peel back the fender liner and remove the 10mm and 7mm bolts securing the fascia to the fender on both sides of the vehicle. Now the fascia is ready to be removed. Slide the front fascia toward the front of the vehicle. Disconnect the fog light and parking light from the back side of the front fascia. Set the fascia aside for later reinstallation. Remove the 2 7mm bolts from the top of the headlight. Next, remove the 2 10mm bolts on the bottom side of the headlight. Slide the headlight forward and disconnect the factory headlight harness from the back side of the housing and remove the headlight from the vehicle. Locate the red wire on your new Anzo headlight. Splice the red wire to the power wire of the parking light harness. Now, splice the black wire on your new Anzo headlight to the black ground wire on the parking light harness. Once the wires are connected and the headlight harness is plugged into the back of the headlight, bolt the headlight into place with factory hardware. Repeat the previous steps on the other side of your vehicle for the opposite headlight. Reinstall the fascia and other factory parts following the instructions in reverse. Check the function of your new Anzo headlights once they're both installed. Before driving your car on the road, aim your new Anzo headlights using your factory manual, or watch our Aiming Your Anzo Headlights video. Don't get left in the dark. Visit AnzoUSA.com to see all of our performance lighting products for your vehicle.